There are many types of riders, each with their unique passion. There are those who crave the exhilaration of speed, while others savor the simple joy of the wind on their face. Some ride for leisure and social connection in cozy coffee shops, while others are the urban explorers navigating the city streets day and night. There is one particular breed, a part of the others. Those who conquered every terrain, paved roads, gravel paths, sandy stretches, or even the absence of roads altogether, navigating river streams and mud pits with the same enthusiasm. They all share one common passion, the relentless pursuit of the unknown, the undiscovered, and the unconquered, regardless of the challenges they encounter. They are the adventure riders. Alright, good morning! Essence of adventure for me is getting to places that you've never been. Understanding the ways of the locals, their heritage, their language, and even trying their food. And adventure riding naman is doing all these things on a motorbike, on a motorcycle. The adventure bike will allow you to do this, get to places in any terrain, no? Kahit kalsada, kahit trail, or kahit tawid ilog, parang ganito. So also yung adventure bike would allow you to carry gears, luggages, stuff that you need to be self-sufficient on days of adventure riding. So yun siya. To satiate the cravings of these adventurous souls, one visionary individual devised a challenge that could quench the thirst of a growing community. An experience that would be etched in their memories forever.
The Mountaincross 2 is about 1,000 kilometers. Ang concept, from the starting line, doon namin ibibigay yung coordinates sa next na checkpoint. And then, yung succeeding na coordinates, matatanggap nyo once you reach the checkpoints na na-assign na checkpoints. So, para siyang amazing race. Ngayon, ang binago namin ngayon, kasi last time, meron kaming designated na campsites. This year, wala kaming designated na campsites. So, yung riders, yung participants, they will decide for themselves kung saan sila magstay ng magpapahinga, saan sila matulog overnight, kung paano nila i-solve yung challenge. So, yun yung mountain cross.
The FJ Moto Mountaincross Adventure Challenge surpassed all expectations, delivering on its promise of a once-in-a-lifetime adventure. The challenge unfolded through a diverse array of terrains, putting every participant's skills to the test while rewarding them with breathtaking, never-before-seen vistas.
Thirteen riders kami from different backgrounds. Halos first time namin nagkasama-sama. First time to ride or to do a 3-day adventure ride. And magkakaibang skill level. But even with that, because ang laki namin and because we share the same passion, talagang tulungan. Sa mga may hirap na parts, may mga hindi pa magaling sa trail, nag-aantayan, which is very good. Ang ganda ng experience na ganun. Na-enjoy talaga namin eh. Most of the guys that I'm with, mga content creators, mga photographers, so talagang yung mga views, hinituan namin, in-enjoy namin, tinignan namin, piniksura namin, video. Sulit na sulit talaga. And yung first day sa Nueva Vizcaya, doon nagtenta kagad kami. Hindi kami nagmamadali eh. So talagang ini-enjoy talaga namin.
The first day was difficult also for me because it's a lot of adjustments, but yung second day mas mahirap siya, but at the same time nakapag-adjust na rin. So it was all in all so far, even if hindi pa natin natapos, I'm having fun. It's a good experience, especially ang daming mga tanawin na nakikita, and you know the guys are all helping each other, so it's good, yeah.
Nice.
It was great. The teamwork, patience, and of course, the grit of the team.
Navigation to me was always, I thought that would be the most difficult part. That was the hardest part in the first round.
There were moments na parang, wow, you're actually doing it.
Test yung patience, na test yung skills.
Tingin ko ito pinakamasaya para sa Team Aura.
Ano yung mga magagandang lugar dito. Pero yung mga dinaanan natin kanina, ilang beses akong napawaw. Hindi ko alam na may ganito.
And yung third day, tested talaga yung skills. Kasi yung third day, naubusan kami ng oras. Kala namin hindi na kayo makakatapos. And may mga talks na si Team Aura hindi makakatapos. But we took it as a challenge. May mga nag-bog down na rin na machine that slowed us down even more. But hindi pa rin papatalo. Talagang batakan. Pumataw na rin kami nung gabi na. And at 11:45 finally, we're able to cross the finish line. Sobrang sarap ng feeling. Sobrang saya. Tanggal lahat ng pagod. Yun siya.
And 6 months have elapsed, yet the thrill of the adventure still courses their veins, vivid in their minds and hearts. Each participants wear their scratches and scars as badges of honor, each one telling a unique story.
Parang kung gaano ako fulfilled nung natapos ko yung event, ganun din sa kanila as a rider.
So like I said, it's a one-of-a-kind experience that truly gives or offers the essence of adventure riding. Like I said, andyan na lahat. Everything that you want from an adventure ride experience, it's here. And not only that, it will help you gain more friends.
And with the announcement of the FJ Moto Mountaincross 3 in February 2024, we can all anticipate an even grander event. New routes, fresh experiences, and novel challenges await.
I'm really looking forward to the third part of the FJ Moto Mountaincross. This Mountaincross 3, it's going to be February 2024. I'm sure masusurpass yung past events. I'm sure there'll be new routes, new experience, new budol. If you did join the FJ Moto 1 or 2, make sure you join this part 3. I'm sure you're gonna like it. I wish the organizers, Don Joseph, FJ Moto, sila Sir Resty, TLR, success on this event. We will definitely support you and make sure that this event will become memorable just like the second and the first FJ Moto Mountaincross. So, yun lang.
The challenge to the organizers now is to surpass the previous event. With more riders anticipated, it can become harder to manage. With the support of the adventure riding community, there is no doubt that FJ Moto can pull off another great event, an event that satisfies the thirst of a real adventure riding.
It was amazing, dude.
And it's way more fulfilling compared to last year.
It's a good feeling.
Made it, so
Sulit.
Very satisfying.
Sulit. Ano ba ito? Fourth?
One of my best experiences.
Okay.
Uulitin natin to next year. Sasali ulit kami.